My name is Penelope Anna Marie Gillis.
My name is James.
We want to tell you a story of 6 times 6, and we're going to tell you what it equals, but in story version. So there's this little girl named Lydia, and she was 6 years old.
And then a few seconds later, she had a stick and fell into mud.
And the stick got all dirty. And she saw a cross in the ground, so she digged it up with a shovel in the shape of a 6 that she found, and inside was a map, and it said 6 times 6. So it obviously means 6 times 6 equals 36. But you can say it as a dirty 6.
Yeah, 36 or 36.
Okay, so James and Penelope have made up a very nice story, you know, that 6 times 6 is 36. 36. 6 times 6 is 36. Oh, we've made up a story. Let's make up a song too.
Oh.
6 times 6 is 36. 36. 36. 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 Oh wow! That was amazing.
Thank you so much.
I know. We're so good. That was a good song. Even if I say so myself. What do you think, James? Was it a good song?
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
It really put my talent into singing way more.
Well, it was just really right.
I know.
And repetitive, but still I
And
really
the story we made up were actually my favorite.
Exactly, like 6 times 6 is 36. Who's going to forget that?
I'm not gonna forget.
No,
I'm
not.
gonna be like.
You definitely
I'm gonna
not.
be like.
Exactly.
I'm gonna look. Yeah, you guys should not forget that.
Yeah.
So
What shouldn't they
If
forget?
you
they
do,
should not forget that 6 times
Yes.
6 is 36. But if you forget that, you'll end up getting a dirty 6.
yeah, 30.
Yeah,
That's true.
Then.
No
Okay,
one
yeah.
wants 30.
Nobody wants dirty sticks.
Everybody-
Not even you. Not even you.
Exactly.
Not even
Exactly.
anybody who's watching this
I
video.
know. So,
And don't say yes.
exactly. So
don't.
you guys should remember that 6 times 6 is what?
36.
Or as we'll say it, 36.
36. Oh yeah.